In this video, we will show you how to use the Demand Data tab of the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard. The Demand Data tab shows the current water demand for a selected utility. Starting with the map panel, the utility layer is loaded by default, showing water utility boundaries. Utilities that have provided data to the North Carolina Water Supply dashboard appear as the semi-transparent gray polygons with black borders. Only these utilities are available for further exploration. Utilities who have not provided data appear as semi-transparent light gray polygons with no borders. Using your computer mouse, you could hover over any polygon to get some basic information about that utility, such as the utility name, ID number, and whether any data is available on the dashboard. You can select a utility three ways: by clicking on the polygon on the map, by using the Select Utility drop-down, or by entering an address into the search bar. Once selected, a utility with available data will be highlighted on the map with a thick black border around it. When you select a utility, the information panel shows a water demand chart. The chart shows the historical daily water supply demand for each year in millions of gallons of demand, or MGD, on the y-axis, and the day of the year on the x-axis. You can use the checkboxes above the chart to select different years of data on the chart. Please note that the data is provided by each utility, so the available years may vary between utilities. You can hover over the chart to see the water demand for a specific date. You can use the controls, the gray buttons on the top right of the chart, to save the chart as an image, to click to zoom, to pan, to zoom in, zoom out, or reset the chart. For additional assistance, use the help button. The next video in this series will cover how to use the Drought Data tab. You can find all the videos in this series on the Internet Water Coalition's website and YouTube channel. Links to both are provided on the screen and in the video description. Thank you for watching.